Hello everyone, welcome you all to this conference speaker spotlight program of the GRTE 2023. GRTE is a global rubber latex center expo, and the GRTE 2023 will be held during 29 to 31st March 2023 in Bangkok, Thailand at Bitech. And in this exhibition GRTE, we have a conference program. So through this program, we're introducing our speakers and also their topics, how it is beneficial to you all. So that's the objective of this conference speaker spotlight. And today we have our speaker, Dr. Wisawat, Keaswejjareansuk. Let me call in first name, Dr. Wisawat. He is the business development manager of the Sigma Solutions based in Thailand. It is a part of the Sigmasoft group. He will be presenting a topic named Reduce Cycle Time and Eliminate Defects in an Over-Molding Rubber Product. So we will learn about Dr. Wisawat and also about the topic. So Dr. Wisawat, welcome to this conference speaker spotlight program. Thank you for joining today.
All right. Good afternoon, Raul. Nice to meet you, and thanks for having me in the conference spotlight today. As you introduce myself, my name is Wisawat. For a quick self-introduction, I did a PhD in mechanical engineering from the United States. My works mostly are in the material science and nanostructured material. Back then, I worked on the polymeric nanofiber membrane. Just for the battery safety, after the PhD, I relocated back to Thailand, where I joined the National Nanotechnology Center, a national lab to work on the nano carrier and polymer system for the drugs. And now I am business development manager at the Sigma Solution. Let me introduce some of my company. The Sigma Solution is an authorized partner of the world-leading computer modeling and etching or manufacturing software. For example, the Sigmasoft, the DALSA system, Hexagon, Detroit engineering product. We also provide analysis and training service. Since I joined the Sigma Solution, my focus is to bring the experience from year of work, the research, the experience to realize the simulation solution, especially simulation for the manufacturing. As you know that Thailand is counted in the top tier of the rubber production and export. Sigmasoft virtual molding is a good example to implementing solution to the manufacturing. Yeah.
Very nice. It's so you have a research experience. So this is simulation is all about kind of evaluating, predicting failures, predicting how to design the product. So it's very important role that you're playing for the Sigma Solutions. Can you talk more on your topic? This topic is a very important topic for the rubber molding industry. Reduce cycle time and eliminate defects in over molding of rubber products. As you know, Thailand, not only Thailand, Southeast Asia, we have huge number of rubber parts manufactured, particularly rubber molded, whether it's automotive or non-automotive, So this topic is very relevant to them, very useful to them to benefit or learn out of this subject. So can you please elaborate and explain about the more details on this presentation, please?
All right, so I know that the simulation is some kind of challenging when we try to implement it in the real situation. So in this talk, I will present the use of Sigmasoft virtual molding in the molding process. So the special thing of this software is it differs from typical simulation that's only focused on the flow. But this virtual molding is able to analyze and visualize the entire mold. This means you analyze the flow and the condition of the mold, all mold components together. The workflow also have each module called the autonomous optimizer, which is the mode that we can do the optimization of the overall processes. That means everything is done at the first step. So in this presentation, we will have two cases to discuss. The first one is the use of virtual molding and autonomous to reduce the cycle time. Another one is the elimination of the crack.
Yeah, it's very important. Can you can you talk more about the Sigmasoft, the software itself, the features, how many customers are
All right.
using across the world? Yeah. So for the benefit of some, I think it is a popular simulation software. Many of the big companies know, universities also know about it, for the benefit of everyone to understand what is Sigmasoft. Yeah, please.
All right. So the Sigmasoft, let's say this where, like I said earlier, it's different from the other software that usually we focus on the flow, but this one is focused on the entire modeling. Its interface is somehow like it has a pretty nice GUI. It tells you what to do, and then it has all the round of the analysis. For the part that we have on the entire mold, you can set up the temperature of the mold. You can see how to put the gate. You can see where to put the component. And in the analysis, it tells you all the things that not only the flow itself, but the mold. That's, I think that this is pretty nice too, that if we able to use it and implement it in the manufacturing, it can reduce a lot of cost for the rubber industry. Yeah.
So it's a very important tool for the rubber industry to, in terms of
Yeah.
the designing the products, and
All
also
right.
predicting the problems beforehand, you manufacturing them, right? So
Yes. Yes.
that saves a huge amount of money, and not
All right.
you react after finishing producing the fact, and then you try to react, it's already lost the time and the
All right.
money. But I think
Yes, that's
Sigmasoft
true.
tool, it really helps the every level of industry. Do you have like a packages of, for the industry? What kind of package on software?
Uh, I I actually it has a many module inside the software itself. It can use
Okay.
for the the base module is something like the virtual molding. It has the
Yeah.
module for thermoplastic. It have module for the thermoset. It has the module for the liquid silicone rubber.
Mm,
It has even the metal MIM or CIM ceramic.
mm.
It's pretty a lot of tool in there, and it is I think it is somehow easier and the user friendly for the software itself.
Yeah. So you recommend
So
every rubber industry to have this software to, if you are doing
I
the designing the molds or designing the products and, manufacturing rubber parts, which they should have this kind of tool, right?
let's say let's try first, and then everybody gonna say that yes, it should be tried, it should be used.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Super. Super. Yeah. Thank you very much, Dr. Iswar, to giving insights about your background, also the topic that you are going to present. I feel that this presentation is very useful for the audience of the GRT 2023. So any message to the audience,
All
please?
right. So nice to meet all of you here, and then please join us on the event, and then I will present the Sigmasoft software for the virtual molding and rubber injection, and see you then.
See you. Thank you very much,
Okay.
Dr. Iswar. And it will be a pleasure to have you in our event at the GRT 2023 during the 29th to 31st March. I look forward to seeing you all, including, meeting Dr. Wisawat and his team, and to learn about the Sigmasoft software, and also the how you can really utilize the tool in terms of the product development or product design, and also minimizing any failures to happen in your manufacturing process. So a must attend the topic in if you're coming to the GRTE. So thanks once again, Dr. Iswar, for being part of the conference speaker spotlight of GRTE 2023. Thank you very much. See you then.
All right. See you then. Bye bye.